You better be wise. No fuck up your vibes. The girl let me read me Juna English revise. The killer me beat and then interest and revive. Papi, how you feel?
Yeah, blam them, I slam them.
Girl, I'm told you want slam them. Nicky this, Nicky that, Nicky blam them.
I take every way. Andre, why did you do that? My G.
Dog size up, pussy on herself. Top shelf, man, a top shelf. Me know I ain't
Roll step, no panic, extend my pen with the sense of panic. If I know people for dead, man, I'm meds, nobody has some.
Man, some can't give me 100,000. Like, bro, I dash the 100,000 pound police on them thing there, bro.
Everybody do?
No.
Okay.
You know me, and I know what I will do and what I would not do. And I'm a woman of integrity, and I have morals, and I keep saying that. And I'm
young place, you see me? A woman we used to good and take care of you, we bring her down. Charge you, we used to do anything fine, we bring her down.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, Pepper Kid is back again with the next epic one. Yes, today we're gonna talk about popcorn. Jano, them say popcorn I like. But you know, and my business are still a film business, but my burn out, we want burn out and I like, we want highlight. You see, pre? Yeah, cause what? Them say yo Jamaica one of the biggest bowers and way. And you know, we still a say my business that. You see, pre? So them say Jamaica one of the bag of things and a popcorn best friend. You see me? Blam them out one with a bag of things over here, so same way. Nicki Minaj, you know, Nicki Minaj, big up blam them same way and put blam them on a level, blam them feel like somebody. Yo, don't get me wrong, you know, blam them the primo when I say this. Yeah, me I talk about Rising King. Rising King come out and I say, yo, the world a go on mad, the world a go wild, you see me, like a God a come from world now. The devil unleash, you know. I say go, you know that go. So yo, me I talk about Jaden now. Jaden deal with intense type of way, you know. Jaden say yo, him not take no 100,000 for come on now, music video for no man. You see me? Cause when some man a make them money, you know you go. So Jaden show a little ready I did so see him make a bigger superstar for him. Although, you know, it's alleged intense did mess up back then, you see pray, and I try to build back him career same way. So yeah, I just say it reach now. So we're gonna talk about Chrissy. Chrissy come out and I say a bag of things and I say yo, you know him not gonna bring down film person and you know him not gonna bring down in career because as such man that a CMR, you know the badness come down. So people get into it, you see pray. Stay tuned. Me not doing no bag of chatting nothing, you see pray. So I want to know if you just listen them footage, watch them clippage, you know the thing come down. Get down to it. Yes man. You know the thing come, we appreciate how you know deal with the thing from what day. Yo, Vice Boss, me still a big you up same way. You see pray? Yeah man. Lisa hype. Yeah man, big up yourself. I'm glad say how me here say you go on a medical center, you see pray. So big up yourself same way. Yeah man, so people you get down in our footage and like, share, subscribe. Not, you know what thing come down. I'm not doing a bag of chatting. Another one. I'm just give you where you want to hear and what you want to see. You see pray. Yo, viewers and subscribers, catch you pray now. I'm not doing a bag of chatting, you see me? As I say, jump down in our clippage them. Blam them over here, so this popcorn wicked. And you really can't pay. If you get up now, you know, or you come down, which one of them? You see pray. But here we go on now, daddy. Yo, just do the right thing. Big up on the damn self. Like, subscribe and share. I'm out. What a thunder my nose. Don't know what go on social media, you know. Oh, remember when Madsus did a talk like this? You see me? That's the reason why Blam them can come out and say certain things. Listen to Madsus along. Andre, way. Yo, just check out them things, bro. You see me? Me not bash the Gaza camp or nothing, you know, but Madsus, come down now, Madsus. You know ready? Brother, go inside. Yo, Jano, me need to bash you, bro. Yo, Vice Boss, big up your damn self again, you know. But yo, you have to go just drop some man, bro. You see, P, you reach over season now. Yo, you reach your goal. Me not tell you, say, yo, burn out everybody, you know. But you need to drop some man, bro. The money I go bring back down your career, right back down to ground, bro. Yo, don't make that happen, Vice Boss, man. You have a daddy, you know, man. King of dancehall, though.
100,000. He right? You feel like me a madman? Man, say I can't give me 100,000. Like, bro, I dash the 100,000 pound police and them thing there, bro. Me dash for them money there, bro. Which 100,000? Man can't give me 100,000. Not even mil me want. 2 mil. 1 mil come like Trump change, dog. You see it? One lie your mother put more you.
Me build this from the ground like the government. Me did down but no more up again. Slide the top off my roof, a breeze touch me head.
I wonder if I'm me alone I see this. Or am me alone afraid, or am me alone feel a way, or am me alone this. But yo, it will not feel toxic to you. Everybody not just toxic for other day, dog. You see me, you not even know who fit trust you. You see me? I tell her, dog, just be careful. You see me? For other day, I realize it's a bring down place. You see me? A woman we used to with and take care of you, we bring her down. Charge you, we used to do anything for you, we bring her down.
Like the comment, I take every why. Woo! Yeah. Oh my God. Andre, why did you do that? My G. Andre, what's that right there?
Don't worry.
I'm looking. Yeah. Andre, go for a little bit, yeah. Andre, go for a little bit, yeah.
When my father man do watch, I watch me. You know.
But it's not a Mavaldo. It's not a Mavaldo.
Hold on.
What? That's glittering.
Hold on now. Because I say Rolex. Papi say Rolex. Look at that listen. More everybody listen.
No diamond, no mission.
No diamond. Remember, you know, the boy can't say my mind, man. No time.
Where that I go?
No.
That no pick.
Oh, alright, what is that on my nose?
A nose?
No, you're drunk. Give me my phone.
Alright, look for you about not Jaden, we are about cat, but it don't come like a popcorn. Popcorn now about not Drake, but him about not team brother. So I wanna see it. Okay, me see it. Remember, you know, popcorn same brother about cat and in popcorn same brother and cheese. Remember, you know, Mr. Popcorn, Mr. Andre Sutherland. Remember you come and you say, your brother about cat, you know, rate him. But all you rate Drake. And Drake sings saying him is in popcorn. Alright. So what I should say, una bossy man. Una bossy man. I remember, you know, popcorn, you rate Shalom. And Shalom brother man. So you see it, what I know a plate. So I don't have a problem with me with Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj a woman me rate and a woman. So I don't have a problem with me. Gonna lick out to the mama.
And we're gonna talk. I'm gonna express myself in a very simple way, but I wanted to just talk about this so it is complete, so I can say. But today is the 12th. 2 days ago, I came off my 40 days fasting, right? And I know I had said it in general that I'm doing fasting, I'm just not eating, it's intermittent fasting, but it was more of a spiritual fasting. And I gave up rice that I love, that I eat probably 6 times out of the week. And I gave up juice that I absolutely love. I don't know how to eat without drinking juice. And I gave up those too. I was also doing fasting as to not eat at a certain time, but after, I think, is it 2 or 3 weeks, I decided to start eating something, and just what I absolutely love, I will give it up. I decided to go on that fasting because I did fasting before. I did a 7-day, 6 to 6, and in that time I prayed a lot, and in that time I was very specific right? And I know God did something. Now I decided to go on this fasting because of everything that I've been going through. Now, it's very hard for people to understand. It's very hard, and I get it. I absolutely get it. It's very hard. Very, very hard based on everything, right? But I know me, and I know what I will do and what I would not do. And I'm a woman of integrity, and I have morals, and I keep saying that. And I'm a mother of 4 girls. And if anybody who watches my videos back then would understand that Chrissy is all about her kids. Chrissy is that mother. And I put myself there. I said this a few years ago that I will never ever answer anyone on social media unless they attack my kids. Right? And I was put in a position that I could not say nothing. And only people who have sense will understand why I still cannot say anything. I went on fasting. I don't want to dive into that too much, but I went on fasting because I don't know what was planned for my life. I never dreamed of facing nothing like this. Nothing like this. And in that time, I said I have to do a fasting. Prayer alone not gonna work. I have to give up something. I have to do something more than what I'm used to doing. And I went on the fasting, guys. When I went on the fasting, during the fasting, things got worse. Things got worse where it's just like everything turned on me. Everything turned on me. And I was like, Jesus, please, Lord, please. And in that time, there was just always this voice that keeps saying, Chrissy, you cannot fail. You cannot be triggered. And that was every time I keep hearing that. And when I saw what was going on, I was like, Jesus. And I kept saying that. And then I keep asking, why me? And then I realized in the fasting, I wasn't praying a lot. And I decided to start reading the scriptures aloud. I decided to pour in a little bit more. And I was like, no, man, something not right. Because I know me, I know inside, and I know what's going on. I mean, I said, no, Jesus, something not right. And I started to pray a little bit more. And then, honestly, guys, I know nothing really about fasting. I don't know the depths of it. And I started to read a little bit more about fasting. And I realized that's when you're going to get the attack. And at that time, that's when I gained strength. That's when I gained the strength of knowing that I cannot give up. I cannot be weakened. I cannot. I don't know how to explain it, honestly, and mighty God. I don't know how to explain it. But that's when I realized that you're not going. And that's when I started to pour out a little bit more when I'm praying and said the blood of Jesus. And I started to pour the blood of Jesus over my home. I pray for everybody because I I understand. I understand seeing the news, seeing everything. Who wouldn't judge? Who wouldn't? I got a meme, and this is what it says. I saw a meme and it says, imagine seeking validation from people, don't quote me, that crucify a perfect man. That's also something that gave me strength, and I was like, okay, because I know me. I know me. I know me. And I gained back my strength the third time. Remember me telling the two, seeking validation from a man and the one before, and I gained back strength the third time when I said to myself, Chrissy, you know you. Guys, I will not fail, you know. I'm telling you, I will not fail. I pour out my heart and my soul, and I try to forgive. I pour out my heart and my soul, even people who turn against me. But like I said, I understand. I'm not upset. I understand. Because that 40 days that I went on the fasting, I think it purifies me. I think not only that I regain my strength. I said in about 2 vlogs that I did not. 4 days I was off social media. It was so bad. I was disgusted. I was like, what is this? And then I started to say, why me? But I stopped to question that, and I know that Jesus is calling me to come closer to him. You know why? Because I know me. And because there's something in me that he needs. So he's calling me. I'm listening. I am listening. Trust me, I am listening. And I'm sorry for anyone who feels disappointed based on what they see and what's going on. I'm extremely sorry. I am so sorry. But I just can't. I just cannot. I cannot. God is amazing. I think this is one of the worst things I've ever experienced. Ever. My father passed away. You know. You know what I realized too? The enemy wants me to be angry. And let me tell you something. I do get angry. But I catch myself in anger and I rebuke it. I do get angry. I do. Who don't? I'm a human being. We get angry. There is not an agreement. I don't agree. But I get to understand. I started to pray for understanding, for, just understand why things are the way they are. Just understand why people are doing what they're doing. Just understand. And I know a lot of people still not going to get it. But you see that fasting, that's really what we come out. And I am not an emotional person. And every time I feel like I'm getting into that, them say, all right, yeah, Chrissy, pour out. It's okay to cry. I don't hold it back, but there's just something that sees it. Sees it. Is it sees it? Sees and sees it. Yeah. That sees it. Guys, I'm at peace. I'm not angry. I'm at peace. The enemy tried to attack, because they tried. They did. And I thought they were going to be successful, you know. I thought so, because me feel like me did I go mad. I just feel like me have to come say something. Afi, and everybody PR and everybody say understand. I do understand, and I see and I know what you're going through, but chill. All of that, that's what we just want to say. And after that conversation with everybody, that conference, I was like, you know what? In the first, them always say when you feel upset, because you just feel like, you know, you just want to explain yourself, but explaining yourself is going to make things stir up more, this, that, it's just never done. So, leave it. But I'm going to say this, in the future to come, there's always a silver lining at the end. Hear me? There's always a silver lining, but it is hard, you know. I tell you. You see, when me realize me a fast, you know, sometimes some things happen and you just not realize. And when me realize me in a fasting and things get worse, when me start fasting, I'm like, That's when me start plead the blood. The blood I run cold. That's when me started plead the blood. That's when I started to pray out loud. That's when I started to read that Bible more. And I get sense of peace, sense of comfort. I would be lying if I say I'm happy, but I'm happy. But at the same time, things stay in people's minds. So how can I be happy when, you know, you have people viewing certain things about you? But I'm telling you, inside of me it is. I'm not just putting out the best. And I believe in God. I'm praying to God. The one there who pray to. And I'm pure with everything that comes out of my mouth. Because God, He knows. Thankful for the people living in my life. I'm so thankful. So thankful. And I'm so thankful. So thankful for the few persons in my life. Thank God I'm not a person to have a big crowd, or else you'd be hearing Chrissy say this, Chrissy say that. But Chrissy says nothing. But yeah. We have to keep going. And I want to say something. It's so funny. You know what else? I see when I feel like my world is tumbling down, or the world is coming against me as one person, and I still see people messaging me, asking me how I do it, want advice. I say, you want advice from me? You know, so what I'm doing on the internet? How can I say anything, something will go so or something will go so? You know, so what go on? that gave me strength too. Jesus, you are great. God, you are great. Thankful for some of you. Thankful for some of you. Thankful for most of you. I'm so thankful and I'm grateful and I respect you guys. And I would go down on my knees if I see all of you guys and say thank you. I would. I think things are changing, and the person that I want to become, it's slowly happening. You know, I think so. I'm ready. I am ready. I want to leave with this. If there's anybody who come across this part of the video or come across this video, and guys, I'm gonna ask you guys something. Just please don't judge me based on a past experience, please. Please. I understand, you know, because I see stuff on the internet. I see, but please. But at the same time, anybody that comes across this video and you are going through something, this is not the end, sister. It's not the end. Don't give up. Don't. I cannot give up. I'm still fighting. There's whenever rain falls, sometimes the rain pours and you still see sunshine, right? The sun just, all the sun peep out and just come out and burst out those clouds. But don't give up. Encourage yourself. If nobody else is encouraging you, look in the mirror. Get some sticky notes. And this is something that I learned I did. And write encouraging words. Write uplifting words. And every morning you go to brush your teeth, you look at that. Please, don't give up. Whatever it is you're facing, whatever it is, if you give up, they win. Remember that. Fight. We have to fight. We're not a choice. Fight. Don't give up. Fight. Keep fighting. Fight. Guys, fight. If anybody out there with this don't like me, I'm sorry. I want to take the time out right now and apologize. If you feel disappointed, but for the persons who are going through something, you have to fight. Fight it. Fight the feeling. Fight. Don't give up. Don't. Fight. If there's nobody encouraging you, encourage yourself. But you have to fight. Whew. Jesus. Fight. Alright guys, I am going to go. I had to take a minute, but I'm gonna go. This is not the end of the vlog. Okay? So yeah, I'm gonna go, but God bless you all, and let's get back to Friday's Valentine's Day, and I am doing a little something for me and the girls.
My bossy can't take a shot at enter for it. All the tip a broke bone, man a moan and a dip swing a phone and a chip anytime.
Where you go?
Look here. Me hear everything, you know. Me hear everything what you say about me. And I just want you to know so I accept it.
Yeah. So we put that behind me and know so we are friends and everything there.
No, but what I want to understand, how you don't like somebody but you talk to them or play with them. Like this, I mean,
come I feel be hypocrite for me look at cheese, you know?
Okay.
No same thing I do with me.
I never tell you that I don't like you, and I don't like you born in a mifuno. So I understand that. You talk about you don't like me. It come like when you see the people them when me and them not chat, you just, you know, when you're up on the highway and you see road, you just drive.
Yeah. So me tell.
So if you don't like somebody, Jaden, what you play with them for?
I mean, what we are playing with? Me a hypocrite. Miss Splinger. Let me tell you, Miss Splinger, we're not seeing eye to eye. We're not hugging up and we're not kissing up.
So remember, me I come to Jamaica and you go keep me down, remember?
No, I remember. What them thing them? Them thing them here.
Yeah, you say anyway you see me, you go box me down. And oh my God, I'm so waiting for that box.
I see when me in your face, me not going to tell you nothing. But so me behind the back, me I go chat you. This thing I have to understand, say, the way how TikTok work. You know? You know how kick you in our box. What would I do that? What would I do that? You want to back so hard.
From one I don't know. From anyone I don't know. So much.
What to your wig? What to your wig? What go on feet?
I'm not wearing a wig.
We are wearing swing.
It's just a quick weave.
Well, me I tell you honest, you don't look good at all.
Well, that is not your problem.
True. Yeah, kind of my problem is still because me I see you.
So what you have to say to me? What you have to tell me, say?
You look good, man.
Me see what the way you wash off and clean up and look like somebody now?
Look like somebody now?
How you feel to look like somebody now and just clean up and wash off and leave? How you feel now? You feel at peace?
Yeah, I feel that peace. So give me peace.
What piece of blood clot? What? You don't really want piece of that ugly pussy the way you're supposed to themselves, blinger? Really? You don't want some of that?
Me go worse than that already.
You know you're not ambition for truth. You know you don't have no ambition for truth. You want like a dirty boy for truth. Because look on that the pussy they will put up where you want for.
But Miss Blinger, the boy never come tell me say shot it, you know. Remember say you have pum pum will look good in a shot man, you know. I have pum pum will ugly and never shot a man yet.
Repeat what you just said?
You have pum pum will look pretty and shot man. I have pum pum will ugly and never shot a man yet. So now what? I sell good for the market. I don't look to everything, Miss Blinger.
Anyway, I could talk about how you look good and put yourself together now and favor somebody pick me. You want to talk about that or you want to talk about me? What you want to talk about?
What about you? What about you?
Okay, I don't know. What you want to talk about me, sir? What you hear?
What about you is new? What about you is new? Then I'm going to start to see your body.
What I want to ask you, Jaden, you notice that from the body couple people go to body. So why my body so important?
Me see them a follow. Me see Candy a follow you, man. Me see.
Alright, so why other people so why to me body so important and you know go run down go see for the other people them body Jane?
Because let me tell you, Miss Springer. Let me tell you why. You see, because them do them body, you know. But them never need to do them body. You see. You see me I say, but you need it to do your body. So everybody go and see how it look. You see.
But Jaden, me never do my body for internet, Jaden.
And them never hide for them body, you see. Them never really hide for them body, you see. So them they get steal out now.
Thank you guys for the gift. Everybody on the power tap my screen if you can't give me. Follow this new page, cause them take for the next one. This is how I'm the pan. Jaden, let me say this to you. I never do my body for the internet, you know. It's like how people that do something and come and say, hey, me do this or hey, me buy this. I know my style them. Me left people make them say, oh, bling no this and bling no that, you know. I be a bring down me take from people, you know.
So if you don't do the body for the internet, why you come and tell me say you do body?
Because I did my body, but I didn't do it for media.
So why you come tell me then?
Me never really tell on you know, Jaden. Me just take on out on music because everybody that go round and I say, she do body, no, she not do body. But me want to know, what is it about my bomber clap body? Me hear some of body spoil. Me hear the doctor, I look for the doctor will do it. Some things on me here.
So what's them thing there?
Jenny, you're the funny app and you see everything.
Chat, who what's them thing, chat? Who what's them thing?
God, power tap the screen. Thanks everybody. Big up yourself. But Jen, this is what I want to say to you. I am so happy that you now get a chance to live. Thank you, Pop House. I'm so happy that you're experiencing new things. You know, you're looking so good in your clothes then, and keep it up. And congratulations on your new apartment/house. Bling, I want to hear you like Pampas. Bling, I want to hear you like Pampas. Congratulations on your new home. That is very good, Jaden. I see that you are doing so much, and that's what's up.
So many better than live.
Well, Jaden, to tell you the truth, you did liquor unbloat, but no, you're just hyper, and it fits you.
Oh my eye.
Hyper, me say.
Hyper. What hyper mean? Like?
I forgot to ask your chat.
So what that mean?
So look here. How your Italian relationship? You and him talk?
Yeah, I don't want to talk about him, you know.
Alright, so what you want to talk about?
What you want to talk about?
I don't want to talk about nothing no more, because every time, now you start come now, and we can't talk about nothing. All of a sudden, we used to talk about everything now. We have to pick, choose, and refuse what we talk about. We can't
I don't want to talk about you then.
So who you want to talk about?
I want to talk about you, your body.
What about it?
Can we see your body?
Yeah. I'm gonna try to make you guys see my body like in March.
Nobody gonna do it now and then show it in a March, you know. Yeah, we not do it, you know, and I tell the people them say do it, you know.
You believe that?
I don't know if I believe. Cause you tell me it's 14 and now you are bringing me a match.
That not look like body do?
No.
Okay. Alright. Let me see if I can find one next one.
But it's still, first man, this is the body and it's still flat. No, sir. Hold on, you do your body, did so you're not there.
Say that again?
No, me I say first somebody me see the body and it's still kind of look flat, you know? It's natural, it's natural.
Jaden, me not do that big body something and that rate something there, no, Jaden.
You don't look overdo like such people, one. You don't look overdo. Oh, buckler, blinger. Oi.
So me could have not do my body and come here and tell people say me do my body when me don't do.
The back shot must turn up.
Thank you, Bumps. Me could have do my body, Jaden. Me could have not do my body and come and tell me say me do my body after me not stay like you, Jaden.
After me not do body.
No, but something that just come say when I go so.
Like what?
Me don't want to get into that. Tell me what I go on with you now. Me hear say, yeah, do some whole heap of things now, which is great.
Yeah.
So how you feeling of yourself now?
Very
Accomplishing.
Very, very proud of myself, you know.
Oh my God, Jaden, I'm telling you, how far you come from, Jaden?
Far
you know,
come from, man.
From outer door, you come from outer, around at the back of the house or the side, you know, the one pull over. How far you come from, so you deserve every fucking thing, dog.
Just bring up,
Jaden, we have to remember where we come from, you know, so I just want to remind you. So you see,
they come from far down that door.
Far down there, so yeah, which part of far down there? So come in and know if you believe you can know where now. Huh?
May I come from the homes?
Then me not see video where people say they find your mother and all type of shit.
Yeah, all them mix up here. May I tell you, may I come from the bunk bed? Yeah, me show name so. May I come from the bunk bed, you see it similar like a fear one. You see it, may I come from the
bunk bed are weird. Now listen to people. Bunk bed are weird. Trust me. Only for the girl them in a foreign have bunk beds for them children them. Trust me.
Okay.
Yeah, but guys, thank you so much. Thanks to everybody. But what I'm saying, guys, big up on the badness and thank you know. But what me I said, Jaden, we have to give Caesar what due to Caesar. For a little youth, we come from so far.
Yeah.
We have him one house now.
Yeah.
Him one car, him one bank account. Mighty God, Jaden, we have to celebrate. We have to celebrate, Jaden. What us to do? We have to celebrate. What you want us to do?
Yeah, we come to Jamaica and we go in our bed or something. You see, something.
Not that celebrating. Not that type. No. We have to celebrate. What is it we can do to celebrate?
Yeah, we can go get some drink, you know. But me have to make sure me watch the drinks and bring my own drinks because I don't want nobody spit in there. You see, so you know we can go to have a drink and celebrate. You see mountain.
So what we are celebrate, say?
Say me have life and me proud of myself. It's what we can, you know, celebrate. Yes.
Two we alone are going to do there. Other people have to be there.
Why? You think me go there something?
Because it's a celebration.
So why me you can't celebrate?
No. A lot of people need to be there celebrating your accomplishment.
Miss Blinger, why a lot of people have to be there? Suppose me not like.
Because that's what celebration is about.
But my celebration different. Me not have to celebrate with so much people. We cannot celebrate with you.
I don't want you to celebrate with me because me no want none of the February, me no want none of the March, me no want none of the April.
But me not, Miss Blinger, you know me not chatting more. Oh God, me.
Let me tell you something. When somebody see me and you alone out somewhere, what do you think going to happen? Explain this to me.
Them gonna know so we gotta do things, but we're gonna do it for true.
Who gonna do what for true?
Like, you know, have a drink me I talk about. What you think about?
Listen. Change the subject because you're not going to celebrate then. But let's go back to your accomplishments.
You might happy for me, but the rest of the crowd now go happy for me.
The people them who we're going to invite to come is going to be happy for you.
So who we are going to invite?
We're going to invite Triple.
Yeah?
You when me call one, you call one. Come. We going to invite Triple. We are going to invite.
Yo, listen, I'm mixed up.
Guys, come, push up his skirt. No. So I'm going to invite Triple, and then you're going to invite who?
I'll invite Fabi.
All right, and then my turn what a guy name where are your friend? Slime.
Yeah, I'm going to invite Slime.
I'm gonna invite Slime. Who you gonna invite?
I'm going to invite TJ.
TJ. Okay. I'm gonna invite Maya.
I'm going to invite Putus.
I'm gonna invite Daima.
I'm going to invite Rosalie.
I'm gonna invite Shalom.
What?
You don't like Shalom?
You're mad? Oh, right. Invite Shalom. I'm going to invite Blam them.
Alright then. Me I go invite Pretty Dan.
Me I go invite Donia.
Me I go invite Derek.
Me I go invite Police.
Alright. Me I go invite. Guess who?
Who?
When gift a name, guys?
Mix.
What the money Mix. Me I go invite Mix. I 11 people that. 11 people that. What I go invite?
Yo.
We invite 13 people. 13 people.
Remember, so me invite Donia already, so me have to invite Candy too.
Alright, so that's at 12. Well, me I go invite Ashley.
Me I go invite Buck too.
Me I go invite Destiny.
Me I go invite who we can invite? RT Boss.
Me I go invite. Guess.
Me I go invite Shay. Me I go invite Bombs.
Me I invite Pops.
Me I go invite TikTok Liar. Me I go invite Cheese. Me I go invite Kill Raja.
No, me I invite Raja. Me I go invite Prinny. So we have enough people.
Me I go invite Shibada. Me I go invite why you picture?
Me I go invite Italian.
You're going too far now.
Me nah go back in the 2024, me say got that talk to you, devil pine road, I say when you see the lad who left him alone.